how to redeem Fortnite V-Bucks code in 2024. So what we want to do is Google search for redeem V-Bucks card here, and make sure you click on the first link. So redeem your V-Bucks card. This is the official website. Now right here we will just click on get started, and it will ask us to log in with our Epic Games account here. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. I will log in with my Epic Games account. And after we have clicked on sign in, it will probably ask us for two-factor authentication here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to input this code that I received in my email. So I'm going to come back in a sec. Okay, so I've just logged in with my account here, and the website is the same. So we want to click on get started, and it will ask us for your PIN here. So since you're logged into your Epic accounts, please enter the code from the back of your V-Bucks card below, then choose the device you play on. So here's where you will type out your code, your V-Bucks code. And after you click on next, it will obviously ask us what device we play Fortnite on. So you will have an option of PC, Xbox, and all of the other platforms. And basically after that, we will just click on next a bunch of times here. And then that's how you redeem your V-Bucks code. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.